In another report, a river in the city of Manila will now be off limits to the public. Let's find out why from Bernard Tan.
Swimming and taking a bath in Kapulong River in Tondo, Manila will be off limits for the public and residents starting today. This was the remedy of barangay officials in Kapulong as the report from the Manila Police District state that 2 or more people drown in the said river every year since 1999. Again last night, another resident only identified by the name Jojo drowned in Kapulong River. Barangay officials say that the man was under the influence of liquor.
Actually, talagang pinagbabawal natin. Yung mga tao naman dito, sanay din naman lumangoy dahil dito rin mga nakatira, matagas ang ulo.
The MMDA Flood Control Unit, with the help of concerned citizens, searched for the victim's body. Sad to say, their search and rescue operations because of the tons of garbage floating in the sea, which blocked their pathways.
Baka natakot lang mo siya, ganun, na baka umaano siya, mabulpe, ganun, dahil nagpanik po yung mga tao rito eh.
Because of this, the Manila local government is currently reviewing whether to ban swimming in other public rivers and creeks within Manila to prevent such accidents. For People's Television, Bernard Tan reporting.